Come with me to check my garden. The raised bed is doing great. This is parsley and rosemary, basil and sage. We have tiny little seedlings of basil, dill, and our tomato plant. It's doing great. We have more basil. We have some peppers and more peppers, beans and more beans, and our beautiful green onions. Buck says hi. Mint is doing great. Some more tomatoes and more tomatoes. It looks like a tomato fell. And our massive cilantro plant. And we have little beets right there, right there, right there. Another tomato plant and a massive tomato plant. And our lemon tree, it's doing great. And our grapefruit tree, it has some buds on it. And our lime tree, so many blossoms on them. And some sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching.